Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the quick makeup tutorial on my everyday look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and put the like button. I have bare face, no creams, no moisturizer, nothing, just a bare face. I just washed it. And I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. So what I'm gonna do, I'm usually taking the concealer. I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked in the shade 10 Double N. And then I'm taking my Zoeva brush, 142, which is the concealer buffer, and I'm just buffing it out. Then I'm taking my eyeshadow brush. I'm picking up this dark brown shade. I'm just applying it all over my eyelid. Right now I look ridiculous because my eyeshadows are all over the place, but with the blending brush we're gonna blend it out and it's gonna look nice and clean. What I'm doing, I'm going up to my brow bone because I have hooded eyes, and for them to look bigger I'm using all the eyelid that I have. So what I'm doing next, I'm gonna do the wing liner. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel liner, and I'm also using the brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna wash my hands first. So we're finished with the eyeshadows and the wing liner. So as you can see, it's very quick and simple. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face, taking the small amount on my fingers, and then I'm just putting it out onto my face. So as you can see, with this primer you don't have to put a lot of it, just a small amount is enough. After my Herborian primer, we're gonna use the foundation. I use the Makeup Forever HD. I'm using the shade Y245. This is the only foundation that I use. This is my holy grail. I don't use any other foundation. I tried, but for me the Makeup Forever is the go-to. I need 3 or 2 pumps. Then I'm picking up my Zoeva brush. This is stippling brush. So to blend out the concealer, I'm gonna use the concealer buffer from Zoeva. Next, we have to secure our under eyes with the loose powder. This one, using my beauty blender, and we're gonna bake. I know it's a lot of powder, but then we're gonna wipe it all off with the special brush. Taking more powder, and we're doing the same thing with the other eye. We're finished with the powder, so you have to wait maybe 2-5 minutes for it to bake, and then you just wipe it all off with the brush. I'm gonna use the NARS bronzing powder in the shade Laguna. This is my favorite one, and just picking it up with my blush brush I don't know, I just broke it? No. Okay, and I'm just putting under my cheekbones. Putting here as well. Here. Just like this. And I'm gonna do the blush. I'm using the Cheek to Cheek Charlotte Tilbury Swish and Pop Blusher. Yes. So basically the name of this blush is Cheek to Cheek, but the shade is Ecstasy. Looks like this. I'm using the same brush and I'm just taking a small amount and I'm gonna blend it out with the contour. Okay, so after we apply the brush, we can take Luxe Highlight Zoeva brush. Doesn't matter what kind of brush you're gonna use. I'm using the highlighter brush and I'm just wiping off the excess powder that we have under eyes. My eye is watering. Then what I'm doing, I like to contour my nose and I'm using the eyeshadow brush. And then you just take in the concealer brush and you just blend it out. Or you can also use the beauty blender. I like to highlight with this kind of shade, the bridge of my nose and the bridge of my nose, here, the tip of my nose as well, maybe in the inner corner. I'm gonna put the mascara on the bottom lashes of my eyes, but before that I'm gonna put some eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna put the mascara on my bottom lashes and I'm using the Sephora size up mascara. Excuse me. Put on my lips is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Wifey. So that's it. This is the finished look. As you can see, it's super quick and simple. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all in my next video.